Well, there went my street lamp. We just got through going through tornado sirens going off and junk. We had a lot of lightning. We started to have a little hail. All kinds of crap. Now we basically really have nothing but pitch black out here. I don't know if you can tell, we live out in the trees, out in the boonies. Not far out in the boonies, but a little ways out in the boonies. So we have lots of treed area that we live in. My dogs are right about over there, hiding in their doghouse. We have a lot of lightning activity. And this is what we've been dealing with the last 3 nights steady. And rain completely a good part of this month. Everything's been so soggy, wet, all kinds of crap. Anyway, that's it.